Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication for PayPal. First, open your browser and go to the PayPal website. Then, log into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon to open your account menu. From there, go to Settings or Profile Settings. Inside the Settings page, find and click on Login and Security. In this section, scroll until you see Two-Step Verification, which is PayPal's name for two-factor authentication. Click Update next to that option to begin the setup. Now, PayPal will give you a couple of ways to secure your account. The most common option is using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. If you choose this option, PayPal will display a QR code on your screen. Open your Authenticator app on your phone, scan the QR code, and it will generate a 6-digit verification code. Enter that code back into PayPal to confirm the setup. After this is completed, two-factor authentication will be enabled. From now on, whenever you log into your PayPal account, you'll need to enter a new verification code from your Authenticator app in addition to your password. And that's it. Your PayPal account is now protected with two-factor authentication, giving you a much stronger level of security for your transactions and personal information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides just like this.